Just telling other stories.
She's like, oh my God, your heart is beating.
When I was 6. When I was 6.
Okay, get your acts together, guys. Oh my God.
I didn't have any friends when I was 6. No one wanted to play with me. I thought I was going to die alone. And she says, oh, look at you now, baby. You're like,
then she comes close. You can feel her chest on your back.
Oh, boy. And then she rubs your head.
Oh.
How the secrets come out.
I want it all.
Last week I was with Shama, and I just want to tell you.
Oh, this guy was actually telling me about the funniest thing earlier, right? We're sitting there talking about Nigerian artists and lyrics. If you don't get money, hide your face. Hide my face. Whoa!
Nigerians are like Jamaicans. The music sounds wavy until you break down the lyrics.
No.
I they wake up in the morning. I they go to the shop. I buy girl a dress.
Yes.
And then you're like, when you take that doom, but the doom off, now you hear the guy talking by himself. If you play a cappella, you'd be like, this is a lie.
Dre, we're recording. Oh shit. It's MicroWave Boys, episode 45. I'm still Larry. He's still Spaga. He's still Sipo Says, and we are still the MicroWave Boys, and welcome to MicroWave Boys, episode 45. We're in this motherfucker. Let's get it.
Big movie week, Black Panther dropped.
Big things.
And y'all niggas don't know how to act.
Big things.
Yo! Now, one thing, great that everyone went out there to celebrate with Black Panther.
Shout out to Black Excellence.
You know, Wakanda forever. I like the spirit. I like how you guys were dressing up.
Hey, what kind of swag is this?
What's black, baby?
What kind of swag is this?
A lot of people were dressed very nicely. Mostly Black Panthers, and I like the Black Panthers. And then some people came left field, like this couple here.
Yeah!
Now, first of all, look at this guy.
That guy's asking for help.
That guy wants to wear CVs.
Blink
He
twice.
wants to dress like this. He wants to wear his CVs clothes.
Come with the All-Stars.
Now they made him wear the dress he went to go Lobola with. The Lobola outfit. You know this.
Blink twice if you need help. What do you think he's saying? His hand.
Baby,
dressing up. Why? PPY.
I got the fellowship of Philly, man. So,
Photo. You know what's crazy, right? We filmed this an hour. Last week. Last like an hour. And it would have been really cool if Menzi could do like a whole rewind thing.
Let's go back.
I'm telling you exactly what time it is. 10 minutes before 10.
10 minutes before 10 p.m.
Right.
So
now.
In a few hours,
so anything
there's a countdown. Countdown to Zuma's deadline. You predicted that he's gonna be gone.
Absolutely.
And
it wasn't hard to predict, but
yeah. So we did that like an hour before, and then this week he finally had to step down. So as soon as we finished shooting MicroWave Boys,
but before he went, he said, I don't want to, but you know what?
No.
He said, the last thing he said is that I'll see you around.
Yeah, I think he said that like a threat. Like
he said that. Like
I'll see you around. It's okay. Yeah.
He said, I can't move.
Yeah, don't worry.
Getting together his thoughts, getting together all his emails.
South Africa's about to shake. Guys, I think I saw one of the Guptas at Andisios.
What? The Hawks didn't find Gupta's and laryngitis.
And you found him.
Yeah. There's a reward, right? You should have made the call.
You nai. Why didn't you?
There's what?
There's a reward.
The reward. We
1
could
million
have been
rand.
bowling right down. Yes.
Why do you got a Benny McCarthy accent?
So though went ENCA or whoever went to Ram to ask the kids there, what do you guys think about Zuma resigning?
On Valentine's
and
Day.
let's take a look at the video. This is what they had to say.
Whoa!
Okay, too much language. Wait, too much language.
Guys, any thoughts on President Jacob Zuma's resignation? Fuck yeah.
They went to the wrong place. Imagine in the middle of a national crisis.
And it was
The
Valentine's
changing
Day.
of the hands.
Yeah.
And they decide, in order to find out, let's get expert opinions on people that share one bedroom apartment. These are the people on the ground that we need to get an opinion from. Bruv, let's go into the belly of the beast.
The people that know what's
Find
going
out
on.
what's happening with the 2-minute news
And he's
crowd.
also playing. Fuck him.
Yes, kids are hungry.
This is news, bruh. This is like live.
And he's
news.
like, oh, this is foul language. What do you guys think?
It's just a motherfucker.
Foul
That
language.
guy's so chill. He reeled him in.
Muchai.
I know, he's Miss Gal. He's just a motherfucker.
Shout out to Serum. Shout out to
Syrup.
Cyril. You know, guys, people don't even know Cyril owns McDonald's, son. He rights to
Oh,
McDonald's.
yes, shares. Yes, shares.
Yeah,
in the-
he owns them. Like, all of them. Whenever you eat McDonald's, for all the time that McDonald's has been in South Africa, Cyril's the one that gets the money. I mean, you franchise the thing.
Yum, 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 what's on me?
Hey!
My burgers, these are my
Keep
burgers.
quiet, Hamburglar. Keep quiet, Hamburglar.
If I take a hamburger, yay! Yay!
So, no.
These are my burgers.
Oh, man.
What the fuck going on?
What, she's like, what's going on in here, in my house? Boy, it's going down when they're down.
Hell no. Oh, hell no. This bitch got me all the way fucked up.
All the way fucked
Oh,
up.
hell no.
What's really going on? What the fuck is going on in here? Who the fuck is this?
Hey,
The
shut up.
fuck is you in here doing?
It's a fucking sex doll.
That ain't a
It's a sex
motherfucking
doll.
sex doll.
It's a
This
sex
bitch is
doll.
not no sex doll.
And the girl
Where
don't
the
know.
fuck you get this?
Fucking seat right here.
Bitch, say,
I got
get
the
the fuck
fucking
out of here with
receipt.
that motherfucking
It's a sex
receipt.
doll, man.
This bitch is not no motherfucking sex doll.
How you go?
Oh my god, and this bitch moves.
They come with these sexes, dummy.
Get the fuck out of here, this big ass bitch. Fuck you, mean?
come with
This
you.
bitch is
Breaking
not
character,
no, really,
boy.
really,
Please don't.
hell no.
It's
This
okay.
big ass, this is the motherfucking
Please.
thing.
I told you I was buying a sex doll.
Get the fuck out of here.
It's a
This
sex
you
doll,
bitch is a
man.
bitch. This ain't no motherfucking sex doll. This
Please don't push me.
Man, come out, fuck this motherfucker. What the fuck is this? They talk with
both of you bitches. Really, it's a
And the guy's still carrying on. Like he's,
I dare you niggas to pull this out, do this with your girlfriends.
No.
Or ke baby, ke pop. Ntadi betri bon. Ntadi betri.
Up to bed.
Ntadi betri. Timar bon.
full of the battery.
Switch it off. If it's a sex doll, switch it off. Switch it off. Make off there.
But also, guys, how buck is this girl for playing it, so staying in character? She's staying like, she must really dig this guy. Think about it, she's like, then they push her. Please do not
don't
push
push
me.
me.
Please do not
Please
push
do
me.
not push me.
No, man, I'm sure it's like a prank for all of us.
No, please do not
But the
push
concept behind it is is a little bit funny.
She's like, hey.
If your life ain't going
And
down
at
like
the end,
that,
at the end, I said, bitch, don't push me.
Hey, how many times I gotta tell you not to push me?
that's the Shaniqua sex doll.
Yeah, Shanika. Comes with extra attitude.
Comes with extra attitude. It's the deluxe package.
Speaking of other people that look like dolls, Black China has got a sex tape. Well, not really a sex tape. It's like
It's like a chillers.
a chiller. It's like she wanted to, but she's not really there.
It's like
It's like when they take you to a party, but you don't want to be there, so you just chill like, groovy.
And then we are yet you.
No, she's like
yeah,
keeping
apparently the
head,
full one, she's having sexual relations with this man, and she proceeds to give him fellatio.
Yeah, Malaysia.
What's that?
And then the way she does it,
Well,
it's like, but she's like very, very bad at it.
For real.
And Black China's she's built herself a reputation of supposedly supposed to be good at this, you know?
Yeah.
Somebody called her a slut goddess. And then the video comes out, it's disappointing, it's like she was doing this.
Oh man.
Oh, yeah, taste, Ajit.
Just a tip, blowjob. I've never heard of that one.
Never.
But Black China's out here, and Rob Kardashian is losing his mind over that.
Guys, Rob Kardashian is going to, he's gonna slaughter himself. This guy.
No, don't say.
Sure, you saw that video just going. I can't kill Johnny's.
No, but
I
that guy.
can't kill Johnny's. Kill Johnny's again. It's kind of Johnny's.
We can't show this video because it's,
Yeah,
No, last time you guys reported our shit.
Yeah, what the hell, guys?
Yeah, like
Come
you're
on,
watching
we were
our
cool.
shit, but you're reporting our shit.
Hey, don't come here with your in the what with them. There's a rapper who
A trap rapper. Be
yeah.
right. Get it right.
And he has a video out. I don't know what
It's the most trappiest video I've ever seen in my life.
Jesus is his name. Jesus.
Yeah, Jesus.
I know ways, guys.
Guys,
I'm so scared.
like if you watch this video, it looks like something is
I was watching this by myself, you know, in my room. It's dark.
They're shooting real guns.
Larry says, watch this. I go, oh, I had to switch on the lights. These guys are just showing everything. Everything.
Yeah, it's all happening.
Just-
This is the most trap I've seen in my life. This is real trappy.
no, guys.
This is real.
Ha.
Yo,
And you know, we have to keep a very close eye on Germans. These guys are responsible for 2 world wars. This is a country that went to war with the world. So they enjoy beef. They live for it. I don't know, guys.
This guy cracks a bottle on his head, boy.
He must ask Bobby Schmurder what happens when you rap, when you confess everything on a song. First you dance and then you cry.
Yeah.
Bobby rapped everything. GS9 got the gun squad. The FBI was like, GS9 got the gun squad. They just wrote it all down about a week ago.
Facts. What's that? Facts.
July 10th. We're talking about somewhere around July 7th. You know.
But that German rapper raps better than some of our rappers here in South Africa.
So
Don't do it.
Come on.
Don't do it. I know you always, whenever you do this, you always go for someone.
So I mustn't.
No.
And German, they have that authoritative
Yeah.
voice. When they speak, it's like they're shouting at you. Das für deine Hunde was?
Can you sing hello, how are
The
you?
guy's saying, hey, what's up? Just pass the sugar.
Germans, Nigerians.
Das für deine Hunden coffee. Oh, what? Just
Germans,
pass the coffee.
Nigerians, same WhatsApp group.
I don't chop money.
I don't chop money.
I don't chop money. I don't chop money at JSC. Just asking, so what? How did my stocks perform today?
Yeah, so I posted a picture the other day.
Yeah.
But for real, Larry, how long? Like,
Buddy, this nigga been turning up since I was like 3 years old.
probably I was.
No, you went 3 years old, bro.
There's
That's impossible. How old would I have had to be in the club? But like, I mean, it's how long have
No,
I been
but-
making money from partying?
Wait, but how long have you been clubbing in general?
Since I was like 17.
nothing
it's
kills
not
me like people when they have Larry about needing leave and that he's been, he's done a lot for the game.
Yeah,
10 years in the game, boy.
it's been 10 years.
10 years in the game, boy. Just if you're 17, then that's about 10 years.
Yeah, that's 10 years.
So he's
My first party was,
he's a lifetime groove award.
Lifetime
Somebody needs to make that.
achievement.
No, Bobby Licious first, bro.
Yeah, I was probably one when she.
Dog, Bobby Licious was like, whoa, when I was still like, whoa, you know what I mean?
Bobby Licious was there when other kids were marching there at 76. She was. Bobby Licious, Ramacha, just for one day. Help with the marching. Shout out Bobby Licious. She's a veteran in the game, man.
She deserves an award.
Veteran. like veteran.
It's okay, guys. Larry rests.
I
You
rest.
rest, né?
I rest.
Because they say you're showing no signs of fatigue, my boy.
Yeah, like at the end of the day, guys, when you need to work for money, you can't take breaks, you know what I mean?
That's right.
Yes.
Get the bag.
So
Get it.
driver boy. So Susa. Get down, Sonaka.
Someone said I go to Onyx from 7 and I shout, yeah, bro! So 6 a.m. One of my exes tweeted, this guy is actually, he opens circles for a living.
People are so hurtful. People are so hurtful.
Something that was extremely dramatic was people on the timeline fighting over a Braai.
Wowza.
Braai peck.
Dun, 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 dun,
A
dun.
Braai peck. It all happened on Twitter.
No, but guys, I understand. If like you don't have food,
Yeah, but guys, also the guy that's in charge of the meat, guys. You know, some people, they put away meat. Sometimes you take your braai pack and you expect someone else to braai it. So you leave it in the kitchen, you're just like, yo, man, can you do my shit for me? Then someone will say, okay, for your chicken to take, like everyone else's chicken, will marinate
what
it.
the
and
fuck are
like
you
it.
saying, bro?
And I'm just saying how it happens at braais. Don't you go to some braais?
But you're speaking so fast, like.
Apparently these guys, some of them, they kept some of the braai packs.
The girls
Oh.
hid the chicken.
Actually,
They hid
it's
the chicken.
smart.
And then they ate the chicken without giving the guys any chicken.
Yeah.
And the guys were like, we brought that chicken. But apparently, there's another chicken.
Oh.
The girls are like, we also brought chicken.
Yeah.
So there's 2 chickens.
Yeah.
But one is missing.
Yeah.
And then the ones brought their own meat and ate their own meat at the braai. It's like Mzoli's now. It's not a braai anymore.
Yeah,
In someone's
it's-
house.
yes.
It's a brigand braai.
Yeah, but
at
why?
whose house?
But why in the timeline?
And they said it's not even about the chicken. It's
Isn't
about
there
the
like a
respect.
It's about the respect, bro. Respect me enough.
It's
don't-
about the principle. It's the single people at the braai.
Yeah.
Here, when you're single at a braai, you're going to get the most burnt meat, the white meat, dry, because no one there cares about you.
Yeah.
No one gives a shit about you. They'll tell you there's a plate for you in the kitchen, and then they go. When you get there, you'll see just beans everywhere.
Salads and shit.
Under the salad, you might find a piece of horse, but
And people still hide food for aftermath. For when everyone leaves, they still have aftermath food. Was
I
that
also
just
actually went to a braai once, and then when we left, there was drama at the braai. Someone stole meat. And then they called us to find out, did you guys leave? Did you guys take all the meat? I've never been so angry in my life. I said, put the guy on loudspeaker. He called my boy. Yeah, did you guys leave with them? You can't find the meat. And someone said, you guys walk out with it. I said, so no, can you?
You know what?
Your mother, you said your mother came and got the meat.
Your mother came here.
Your mom came to the house and took that meat.
No.
Call me again one more time, ask me about missing meat at the braai. Anyway, guys, don't go to weird people's braais. Just go to your friend's braais.
Yeah.
That's it.
And guys, if we bring meat to you, please bring the meat out together.
Maybe there was too much meat.
No, there wasn't meat.
No, the guys didn't get
meat.
chicken.
They didn't get the chicken, bruh. They got everything else but the chicken. And then the next day, the one girl posted
I'll be
a
pissed
plate
off.
with chicken in it. And the guy
Wow,
yeah, disrespect.
Someone from the bride posted a picture, and then the guy saw chicken.
He's like, it's like someone who owes you money. Balling in the
leaving a
club.
party too early.
Hey, but you owe me money.
It's like leaving a party too early, and then you see the pictures from after you left. What happened? You're like, whoa, this is the same party I was at. Strippers came. Hey, Batum. After I went home, strippers came to the party.
They tell you, Camille, and then
I thought
it
the party
was
I was
over.
like, this party's boring. Can't the strippers are on the way. In this week's topic of girls ain't shit.
Girls ain't shit. Nancy, roll the bumper.
You ain't shit. You ain't shit. You ain't shit.
You ain't shit. You ain't shit. You ain't shit. You ain't shit. You ain't shit. You ain't shit.
So we know he's gonna skip this. This guy donated an entire kidney to his girlfriend.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Then proposed, and then she said no.
Whoa!
A part of me lives inside of you, and not that other part. I literally gave you life. You can't spend the rest of it with me. The life that I afforded you, the least you can do is hang around with me. And then you break up. What chest pain level is this, guys? Some other nigga is gonna get that kidney. He's gonna enjoy your kidney. Imagine a nigga says, you got your girl, I got your kidney.
All up in them guts.
All up in your kidney. Balls to the walls, son. I beat that shit bad. I can feel that kidney when I'm beating it. When she goes, I'm like, that's that kidney. I'm all up in them guts, in your guts, nigga.
I'm all up in your guts.
I'm all up in your guts, nigga.
Touching your kidney. Nigga, I'm touching your kidney.
Every time he sees you, he just goes, thanks for the kidney, sucker.
That's evil.
That's so bad.
That's
man.
I would be so.
I'd break up with a girl if I found out she has another man's kidney now.
What? Why?
Whose kidney?
That's cheating.
That's cheating. So from now on, he's gonna
Which
ask.
man is inside of you?
So,
when that guy sees you, he's like, I never pulled out.
I never pull. I'm so ignorant.
Still in there.
I still live in there.
Still all up in them guts.
I live in those guts.
We are in the
You
darkest.
can't remove me, or I'm dead, or you're dead, or she's dead.
Oh my
God,
goodness.
it's dark.
Yep, that's right.
That's dark. Yeah. Here's a nigga who really got bricked. He got bricked for real. Like these niggas were out there trying to jack a car. His partner in crime says, "Okay, let me move this side." One more time. One more time.
wait.
I'm gonna show it again. It's gonna start.
One more time.
Let's see the video quickly.
Yeah, that's how it starts.
They say, "Okay, let's."
Okay.
They say, okay, Fana, Sebashaya, robbery,
Yeah.
Shaya housebreaking,
Okay,
Shaya Shaya in, Shaya out.
So how
Tatama
we
DVD,
how we doing this?
Tatama remote,
Just
everything.
get break.
Swallow!
Breaks are
Swallow more!
Okay, wait,
That's fatal connection, bro.
Oh, so, okay, let me give you room.
Whoa, he's out.
He's
bro.
out.
You know how much force he must have thrown that brick with? And
Audi.
Audi.
Nah,
I
I
mean. Yo, that nigga's
God.
out. He has to carry his partner out now.
So what
guy-
does he do? What does he do? Does he
Imagine when he wakes up the next morning, because I'm sure he might have forgotten.
Yeah.
Country, fed.
He says, yo, get up in the morning, hey. You know that one where you wake up like this? Larry! Yay! Larry! Yo, boy! Yeah, Panado, whoa! Where did we go last night? Whoa. And he tries to get up, he's like, ah! Hardy of the week this week is Sitabile Butelezi. All the way from Durban.
Oh yes, we love
Etegwini.
You know what we're actually saying? Yes. Me and Sipo were sitting there discussing, and we're like, actually, half of the hot freaking girls are actually from Durban.
Instagram, I don't know. Every time you see someone, a girl on the explore page there, looking like $1 million. Yeah. To be honest, maybe 7 out of 10 times she's from Durban. Yeah. I don't know what's going on down there, but service delivery. Service delivery.
Yeah.
Yo. Slim thick, wait till give you that.
It's time.
How about you a new bag? Hey,
someone just took a picture now.
Hey, you gonna make a pix mix?
More water for your daughter.
Ooh, go beaching.
All of her beach pictures are winners.
Oh my goodness, this looks like Baywatch.
She probably goes to the beach.
Umhlanga watch.
She's got a very beautiful face, man. I mean,
she does. She's
a dark skinned beauty.
And she has that hairstyle, the cuckoo style.
What?
I told you guys, the cuckoo style. You know, when the
shut her don't care.
Who's that guy now?
Then you know.
Who the fuck is that? A favorite. Who's the fucking favorite?
Hey, gents can't let girls just take pictures.
Alone.
Ooh, I know. Come on.
Yeah, yo, shout out to Tabu Tulezi.
You sebenzile sisi.
Big up.
Well done.
In our lifetime.
Please
in our
keep it
lifetime.
Up. Don't worry, we're coming to Germany. We're gonna come see you guys. Anyway, guys, I think that's been it for us for the show.
Turned a year old last week.
Yeah.
In
case you haven't said it enough.
We're doing a very big birthday party, so look out for that.
That's right. We also reached 1 million views on the Arcadium channel.
What's up, baby?
So shout out to you guys for supporting. We got some big news coming up
next week. Big news.
Wait.
Next week's episode.
Next week's episode. Well,
they'll know already by the time
this
episode comes out.
MicroWave boys, I'm out of this bitch.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Touch. Let's go.
Hey guys, we never hang out, eh? We were just out here with Pagamiso.
Yeah, I know it's scary that I'm
Dave,
twisted.
me and you.
My flows smell it to be gifted.
It's the angel.
Open telling one for 16, King 016. That's the making of believing legend. Soon as the escape this fella.
I'm taking effort.
Tell us more now.
Shake whatever your mama gave ya. Snitch niggas put them into danger. Fakers. Yeah, I'm out to get this paper. Hate whenever you wanna hate. I got jail bars to imprison y'all niggas. In the minute that I hit the coffins, let it go figures. Lili me like I'm getting got that thick like Casa rhythms. Ali Papa Takahara, my ball, I still speak joke.